Hey guys, it's Jaime's Beauty. Want to put this video out there. I got asked a question. The question is, how do I easily identify campaigns that are out of budget? So what I do is I go to my campaigns and I click filter by, and then on the drop down box it'll say almost or out of budget, and you click that, and then you could easily sort through all your campaigns that are out of budget. Of course, I do it for the date range of today so I can see exactly what's going on. And then, like, for example, over here in real time, this one over here has a $15 budget. It went to $16, which happens, and it's out of budget. So now what's the ACOS? Let's look at the ACOS. ACOS is 4%. We spent $16. It made $400 in ad spend. So that should 100% go up. They're suggesting $130. I don't usually go by the suggested bid right away. I'll go little by little. You know, you see all these over here, $15, $40, $15, $10. Like, I'll start them off very low, and then I'll increase them if I see they're performing well. I don't like to just do everything full blast unless you know it's a good campaign, or unless you have a lot of money to blow through. But that's usually not the case. And even if it is the case, you want to spend your money smart. So this is $15 at a budget. Let's go over here and put it at $40. Save. Now it's $40. And then you go over here. This one over here is at $40. It's also a great campaign. It didn't run out yet. I don't even need to touch it yet. I could if I want to. $15. This spent $15. This is basically at a budget over here. So this campaign is $15 max. It's a 5% ACOS. I'll put this at 40 also. $40. And, you know, you just keep checking back and see how it performs, because it could just get lucky in the beginning. And yeah, that's what I do. And what do I think is the best way to start a campaign? What's the best budget? It really depends, but basic rule, I never go below $50 for one parent. So if you're starting a new parent or you're just maintaining a parent, you do not want to go below $50. And of course, you could spend thousands of dollars a day, but $50 is the minimum, and I like to split it up. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.